In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Bank of America auto loan swiftly and seamlessly. If you've been wondering about the best way to keep up with your auto loan payments and ensure everything is handled smoothly, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening the Bank of America app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in using your online ID and passcode. This will ensure that your account information is securely accessed and ready for you to manage. Once you're logged in, take a look at your accounts list. In this list, you should see your auto loan account listed. Go ahead and tap on your auto loan account. This will bring up the details and summary of your loan, giving you a clear overview of where you stand. After accessing your auto loan account, look for the option that says Make a Payment, which you can typically find under the account summary. Tap on Make a Payment to begin the process. This is where you'll decide how much you'd like to pay towards your loan. Now, when it comes to payment amounts, you have some flexibility. You can choose to pay the minimum amount due to keep your account in good standing each month. Alternatively, you might choose to pay off the full balance if you're able to, which is a great way to reduce any accrued interest over time. If you have a specific budget in mind, you can also decide on a custom amount that fits your financial plan. After deciding how much you want to pay, the next step is to select a payment account. If you have a Bank of America checking or savings account linked, you can select that for a quick process. Otherwise, you have the option to add an external bank account. To do this, you'll just need the routing number and account number of that external account. So make sure you have those details on hand. Now, before you finalize anything, take a moment to review all the payment details. This is a critical step to ensure everything is accurate and as expected. Once you've double checked, go ahead and tap Submit Payment. After submitting your payment, you should see a confirmation screen pop up confirming the details of what you just processed. Additionally, keep an eye on your email as you should receive a confirmation message there as well for your records. This provides you with peace of mind knowing that everything has been completed successfully. That wraps up the process. Making regular payments on your auto loan is a great way to ensure you maintain a healthy credit status and keep your finances on track. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful and clear. Have a great day.